Good morning, everybody. We're here at Sunshine Mountain, and we're at a little cabin up here, and we're going to talk about survival food this morning, and having an energy drink and a protein drink and stuff that makes survival easy and very healthy. So the main part of our survival food today is a product called Raw Fit. And it burns fat, satisfies hunger, fights craving. It's got 170 calories in it, 28 grams of protein, 8 grams of fiber, and only 1 gram of sugar. It's gluten-free, it's vegan, it's no dairy and no soy ingredients in it. And this particular brand I like a lot because it's chocolate flavored. And I love my chocolate. So I have a blaster here. And it's actually a Ninja, and I have my glass that I mix my stuff in, and I like to put my supplements right inside the drink. So I've taken my supplements, I've taken zinc, I take them out of the capsules, CoQ10, some probiotics, prostate probiotic red, I use those. Vitamin C, the organic version made out of actual plant base, Garden of Life. Vitamin B, raw vitamin B complex. And I like to put in a few calcium pills in there, calcium magnesium pills right in my drink. And these calcium magnesium pills, they're actually hard. You know, you can see that? They're big old horse tablets. So who likes to take horse tablets, man? Nobody, I don't think, unless you're crazy. Anyway, I take those and throw them right in my drink here, and I've already put them in there. And the Ninja just grinds them all up, so you don't have to worry about that. So we have 1 scoop of this organic fit powder. And by the way, this is a great survival food right here. This organic fit powder, you could actually survive off this. If you didn't have anything else, you could just put this and add water to it, and you could survive off this stuff. Okay? So, we got that, and I usually add coconut almond milk with unsweetened, and I like this brand, Diamond, Blue Diamond, but you know, they all work. And so, I like to put that in there. I love my peanut butter, so I take organic peanut butter, or Adam's natural peanut butter, actually, the crunchy, and I just take 1 spoonful of that and put it in my drink in the morning. But stuff's hard as a rock. The freezer.
Refrigerator.
Like, the refrigerator's working really good. And then I like my blueberries. So, TJ's Premium Blueberries, you know, they're a Christian company, so I like to support them. I also use organic blueberries most of the time, but I like TJ's berries too. I put a couple of big scoops of these blueberries in here. Blueberries are an excellent source of vitamin C. They're antioxidant. They're very good for you. One got away. So, to top it off, I use brown flax seeds. Okay, you can buy these in the bulk. And the brown flax seeds are a great source of omega fatty acids. So, they bring you fiber, they'll lower your blood pressure, lower your cholesterol, and they reduce the risk of cancer and diabetes at the same time. So, they're quite amazing little guys here. And I just take a spoonful of this, just a little spoonful, dump it in there. I also like add chia seeds, and they're high in iron and calcium, and they're excellent for your heart. And they also are packed with omega-3. So I take a spoonful of those and throw them in there. And then the pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds are amazing. They have zinc. They're full of omega-3. They have good fatty acids. They're good for the heart. They got magnesium in them, and they're excellent if you have any prostate problems. One of the great healers is pumpkin seeds. So if you go buy a supplement, you're going to look at the ingredients, you're going to find pumpkin seeds in every one of them if you're treating prostate problems. So we got it all in there. Now we just have to add a little of this coconut milk to bring it up to the top. And if you don't have coconut milk, you can use water. But coconut milk gives it a little more body, a little more flavor, makes it taste really good. So this is a drink that I do every morning, not just in survival times, but every morning. And you've heard the term, you know, break fast and breakfast. We have breakfast, and what you're doing with breakfast is you're actually breaking your fast. But it's actually good to continue your fast on into the day until midday, sometime afternoon, into the afternoon hours before you really eat anything solid. And so that's why I do the drink in the morning. I do this drink in the morning every morning. And before I do the drink, I also take a glass of water. And you know, I use distilled water, but you can use what regular water, your well water, whatever you want. And put a couple cupfuls of this apple cider vinegar, you know, the stuff with the mother in it, and a little squeeze of lemon in there in the morning. First thing in the morning when I get up, I drink that. And I also use a product right after I drink my water. I like to have my coffee, but I don't use coffee. I use a product called Coffig, and it's made out of figs. It's 100% figs. Very good for your digestive system. Tastes a little bit like coffee, has that body and flavor of coffee, but it's really healthy for you. So I drink my water, start the metabolism going, you know, and then drink my Coffig for the good gut health, and then for my protein and vitamins and supplements, I put them all in here, and I turn this little puppy dog on and
hold your ears.
Fire it. Beautiful day out there. Showing out the window. I've already fed the squirrels.
Beautiful day.
All right, I usually mix this. Pour it into my cup here and have a healthy morning protein drink. Oh, yum. It tastes so good.
All
With
right.
the peanut butter and the blueberries and the seeds in there, man, this stuff is good.
All right.
So I want to just ask God to bless you guys and have a wonderful, blessed day, and consider doing some good things for your health. All right? Take care. Bye-bye.